If you want to clean along with this video, every time I mention a chore, set your timer for 6 minutes, hit pause, go and do your chore, and as soon as you're done, come on back and hit play. Hi, it's Karen. Let's talk about all the things you want to get done. What day of the week do you want to do your cleaning? Some people like to do Saturday, clean Saturday so you can go out Saturday night. I think that was kind of the way things were when my mother was a teenager. Or you could choose, like me, I like to clean on the day that the trash has to go out to the curb if you have like a weekly trash schedule. So for me, that's Mondays. Put it out Monday, they collect it Tuesday early morning. Well, whatever day you decide on, put it on your calendar, schedule an hour. It gets done if you have it scheduled. Make it something that's convenient for you, for your lifestyle. If you work Monday through Friday, maybe you want to do it on the weekend. Or maybe you want to have your weekends free and you want to do it on a weeknight. But seriously, I would give it just 1 hour. Now, there's some tasks that you want to do daily. Make your bed every day as soon as you get out of bed, or the last person who gets out of bed should make the bed. I like to say that the bed makes up 1/3 of the room, so when you make your bed, your room is 1/3 cleaner. I don't know if that's really true, but I made up that statistic myself. Swish and swipe. Swish and swipe, if you don't know, is pour a little blue stuff into your toilet and swish it around. Do that every day. I believe in sterilizing your toilet every day. It's just a thing with me. And shine your sink. This is something that you're going to do at night before you go to bed. This means that you're going to bed, there's no dishes in the sink, and then you take your dish towel and just wipe down the sink, wipe down the faucet, and then throw that dish towel in the laundry, and then you have a fresh, clean dish towel every morning. Then that leaves 7 tasks for your weekly schedule. Since we've got 7 for the week and 3 for the daily, let's just do 6 minutes of each task. Anything that takes longer than 6 minutes, that's up to you. You want to spend a little more time vacuuming. I can understand that if you're mostly carpet. Or you could just say, you know what, I'll hit up what I can this week, and next week we'll hit up the rest. Paper purge. As soon as the paper comes into your house, say it's schoolwork or it's mail, sort through it and toss. As soon as you read your junk mail, or don't read your junk mail, just toss it out as soon as you can. File your papers after you've paid your bills. Just try to take care of everything ahead of time, but even so, papers do pile up, and either neaten the pile or go through it and toss as much as you can. I'm going to say, spend 6 minutes on this chore, nothing more, move on to the next. To make sure you only spend 6 minutes, use a timer, or the timer on your phone. Next thing to do is vacuum. You're not doing deep cleaning, you're not going into all the crevices with the crevice tool, just vacuum the middles. Just do what you can in 6 minutes, boom, you're done. Dusting. I hate dusting, but it's got to get done. So you just use a microfiber cloth, dust, 6 minutes. It's not the end of the world. I tell my kids it takes longer to complain about doing a chore that takes 5 minutes than it does to actually do the chore. And what they say is, next chore is mop. Just get the water down, get it up. I have a mop that I just sort of love, but it doesn't matter. Just get it done, get that out of the way, next chore. You're gonna be polishing your mirrors and your door. So your mirrors are in the bathroom, the living room, the bedroom, wherever. Just get some blue junk, spray it, paper towel, wipe it down. The door, by door, I mean, we have like a glass screen door, and, you know, my dog likes to bark and leave like a lot of dog spit on the glass. And so that has to be wiped down, you know, once a week. Just do what you can, front door, back door, mirrors, and then empty all the trash. Now, this is one of the reasons why my weekly cleaning is on trash day, because I want to get that trash out of my house. So collect it from the living room, from the dining room, the kitchen, that's the big trash room, bathrooms, get it all out. The kids have junk in the room, say, get the trash out of your rooms, let's get it out in the curb. Then we're going to talk about disinfecting everything. You can use your Clorox wipes, your Lysol wipes, or if you're out of wipes, 1 cup of water to 2 teaspoons of bleach makes a nice wipe, a nice disinfecting liquid. Put your rag in that. Wear rubber gloves for your skin protection, because bleach can be pretty harsh. And by everything, you're going to be wiping down all the handles, all the knobs, all the light switches, the TV remotes, your phone, everything that's a high touch surface, you're going to be wiping down. And that's it. That's an hour. That's done. If you have any questions or any suggestions, let me know. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Be safe, wash your hands, and disinfect everything. Bye-bye.